Instead, refer to the user's manual for help on how to install MiKTeX and set it up for printing reports. Open the MiKTeX website. I'm going to do it from the link in the user manual and download the installer file. I'm downloading it to my desktop again. While the installer downloads, I'll go to the list of packages in the user manual that we need to install after we finish installing MiKTeX. Our MiKTeX installer has been downloaded, so we now run the installer file. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Change the selection to install MiKTeX for any user who uses this computer and then click Next. Click Next to install to the default location. Change the preferred paper size to letter and then click Next. Finally, press Start to begin the installation. This might take a few minutes. I did speed up the video where my computer appeared to be working on a particular item. Click on Next, then again on Next, then finally click Close to complete the installation.